Looking to land your dream job? It all starts with the perfect biodata. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a clean, modern, and job-ready biodata using MS Word. No design skills needed. Let's build a document that speaks for you before you even say a word. If the video gets more than 2K likes, I will share this designed file. Let's begin the biodata creation process. First, open MS Word and create a new document. Then, to set up the page, go to the Page Layout tab. From here, select the page size as A4. You can also choose a different page size if you prefer. Next, to set the margins, click on the Margins option and select Narrow. First, I will add a heading text, which will be Biodata. Select a professional font for the heading text. Then, I will set the font size to 26. Next, set the text alignment to the center. After that, I will choose blue as the font color. If you prefer, you can also choose black as the text color. Now, type Biodata in the center of the page. Then, press the Enter key to move to the next line. Next, set the text alignment to left. Then, select black as the text color and set the font size to 12. After that, press the Tab key once and type Name. Then press the Tab key 3 more times and type a colon. Now, press the Tab key once again and type your name. You will follow this same format for the next lines as well. Next, write the following details one by one. Father's name, date of birth, gender, nationality, caste, religion, and contact information. If you want, you can include your marital status, such as single or married. Next, I will select all the text and reduce the line spacing. After that, I will add detailed information about educational qualifications. For that, I will add a heading titled Education. Then, I will set the text style to bold and underline. Now, I will disable the bold and underline text styles. Then go to the next line. Now, I will go to the Insert tab to insert a table. Using the Insert Table feature, I'll create a table with 4 columns and 5 rows. Then, I will select the table, set the text alignment to center. Next, I will select the top row of the table and go to the Table Design tab to choose the shading color blue. Then I will change the text color to white. Then, in the top row of the table, I will enter the following headings one after another: Examination, Board, Year of Passing, Marks. Now I will fill in the data in the table. Next, I will reduce the font size of the table data and decrease the table height. Then, I will slightly reduce the line spacing here. Now, I will add a heading here, Work Experience. Then, on the next line, I'll insert a table with 3 columns and 2 rows, using the Insert Table option. Next, I will select the top row of the table and go to the Table Design tab to choose the shading color blue. Next, set the text alignment to the center. Then, in the top row of the table, I will enter the following headings, one after another. Company name, job role, year. After that, I will set the text color to white. Here, I will include relevant information about my job history. If you have no job experience, you can add information about hobbies and interests. Next, I will add a heading here, Computer Skills. Then, I will add information related to computer skills. Course 1, Diploma in Computer Application. Course 2, Diploma in Financial Accounting. Software, MS Office, Tally, Photoshop. Add your skill-related information here. Next, I will add the heading, Declaration. At the end of the biodata, you can include a declaration like this. I hereby declare that the information provided here is true to the best of my knowledge. After that, I will write the date and signature on the next line. Next, I will insert a shape, a frame shape, which will resemble a beautiful page border. Then, I will position the shape exactly at the center of the page using Align Center and Align Middle. I will also set the fill and outline color of the shape. After that, I will insert a rectangle shape, change its fill color, and remove its outline. Then, I will position this shape right behind the table. To do this, I will click on Wrap Text and select Behind Text. Next, I will fill the table cells with color. To include a photo in the biodata, I will insert a rectangular shape and fill it with an image. This is where you can place your own picture. Adjust the picture to fit well inside the shape. Modify the border color and make the border thicker. Biodata design complete. You can save the file as a PDF and print it. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.